ControlLive.net and MMADJ.com present Seduction, the Boxing Day Slammer on Monday the 26th of December 2011. This all takes place at Club Vida in St Albans, 6 Adelaide Street, Hertfordshire, AL3 5BH. Check out www.clubvida.co.uk. Seduction! On the top floor, we welcome Ibiza House and Head Candy Sounds with Lisa Loud, Fixie, Divine, Mr. Brains, Fatto and Mr. Makepeace. On the middle floor, spreading funky and UK garage, DJ RJ and myself, MC Kai. Plus, Maestro, DEE, Playboy, Nelson B, Venom, Crossover and Ickle. Your hosts, Dapper, Function, DS, Isen, Stevie J. And not forgetting on the bottom floor, hip-hop, R&B and Bashy Bashy with one and only DJ Manic, Crossfire and Chris Essence. These are the cheapest drink deals in town. Limited advance tickets are just £5. Check it out, www.mmadj.com. Alternatively, £8 before 11, £10 thereafter. Info 07958 317 727 or 01727 898 398. The popular BB pin 22A2F4E1. This event will be filmed and streamed live on ControlLive.net. Loads of giveaways, birthday, VIP luxury booths for hire, 9 PM till 3. Dress code, smart casual, no hoods or hats. Trainers are absolutely fine. So ladies and gentlemen, you ain't missing this one. Seduction at Club Vida in St Albans Town Centre, the Boxing Day Bash. Whoa, whoa, whoa!